Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I'm ready to share with you my November Twist Club. So Twist Club is my monthly card club, and I create 8 cards that feature one single stamp set or bundle, and for November, I'm featuring Rustic Crate. So let me show you what you get with my Twist Club. We're going to be making 8 cards, and they're essentially 2 cards of each of 4 designs with a twist. And let me show you what I mean about the twist. So here is a twist example. You can see the difference. It's kind of like playing spot the difference game. And I always do one fun fold. So I've got, this is my fun fold this time. And I love to just play with different ways of creating with the featured stamp set or bundle. And I do work hard to give you experience with all the stamps in the stamp set and most, if not all, of the dies in the set. Now, when your kit comes to you, everything is die cut. So I die cut everything. And I just need to make sure you're clear on that. So like all of these little crates, all these little gardening gloves, all of that is die cut for you. The only thing I don't die cut is when you're gonna have to stamp it before you die cut it, like this here. But you could easily fussy cut that if you didn't have the dies. I think you're gonna want these dies because they're pretty amazing. But just so you're clear on what actually comes with your kit. You're also gonna get some products that are going to help you create your projects. So you're going to get a full package of these beautiful sparkle gems. These are from our annual catalog. 2 sizes of 3 different colors. You're going to get a half package of this gorgeous All About Autumn paper. Now this sold out, came back in for a few hours, sold out again, but you're going to get a half a package. That means you're going to get 2 each of every single design. And that's 24 sheets. You're going to have a lot here to play with. You are also going to get a half package of the natural and copper ribbon duo. And I'm giving you just a half of each roll. So that's 2.5 yards of each roll. And this will be all packaged up really nicely, easy for you to use. All of your card kits come sorted, ready to go for you to just stamp and create. You do get your 8 envelopes. In this case, they are very vanilla. Now, let's talk about the details. So this is my monthly subscription club. It's $39 when you subscribe. You can unsubscribe anytime. There is no minimum subscription. But when you complete 6 months in a row, I do give you a really cool $25 product gift. So that is one of your perks. The other perk is a $39 price point on every single monthly kit. Now, if you want to just try us out for 1 month, you're welcome to do that. It's a $44 kit when you do that. But you get everything that my club members get. You just pay a little bit more. I would encourage you, the best deal is to subscribe. And again, you can unsubscribe at any time. Thanks so much for your consideration. Take care and God bless.